If your checklist for the perfect home includes terms like spacious and inviting, then look no further because this one's for you. My name is Darlene Perry. I'm with the Genesis team at Intero Real Estate, and today I'm in the Blossom Valley area of San Jose where I'm excited to introduce 197 Herlong Avenue. Come on, let's take a look inside. Built in 1966, this amazing home features nearly 2,200 square feet of living space on a 5,000 square foot lot. It offers a unique floor plan with a formal dining area, living room, and family room, making it the perfect home for entertaining. And if you need lots of bedrooms, this home will not disappoint. Buyers will enjoy 4 large bedrooms, including a master suite, complete with a large bathroom and closet. Other features and benefits include various updates throughout, such as newer paint, bamboo flooring, and kitchen and bathroom improvements. And if you're longing for a low-maintenance backyard, take a look at this space. It's the perfect oasis for lounging under the gazebo on warm days or enjoying the hot tub on cooler nights. The possibilities are endless. When it comes to real estate, Blossom Valley is a fantastic area. Nestled in the southern end of San Jose, Blossom Valley offers many great amenities including shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. Its proximity to major highways and freeways makes it the perfect location for commuters. For more information on pricing, visit my website at www.darleneperry.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make it a great day.